Hi, I'm Marcus from Marcus Language Academy, and now let's see how my German course for beginners works.
Welcome to our language course. You'll learn German by following the story of Leo. Each lesson will reveal a little more information about Leo's life. The full video has 7 parts and later in the course 8. We recommend you watch the whole video once through. Your focus should be only on listening and watching the images in the video. The video shows you the story of Leo.
Lektion 1, Teil 1. Hallo, ich bin Leo. Ich bin 20 Jahre alt. Und ich komme aus Spanien.
Each sentence is accompanied by an image and subtitles, as well as some explanations of the grammar. If you don't understand anything yet, don't worry. Soon you will be learning everything step by step. If the video's too fast, simply change the playback speed to suit your needs. For now, relax and enjoy the story of Leo. And remember, just focus on listening. In a moment, you will listen to all the parts individually. But first, we recommend that you study the lesson's vocabulary using Quizlet. Quizlet is a great tool for studying vocabulary, and it's totally free. You can use it on your computer or as an app on your mobile phone. We highly recommend that you install the mobile app. Once your account is created, you can join our course on Quizlet. You'll find all the units of each lesson of the course. You can access the units through Quizlet or directly from our course page. The first unit is the lesson's vocabulary. Quizlet offers you several options to study the content. We highly recommend you study the unit with the app in Learn mode. Choose the following options: Activate audio, Reply in German, and in Type of questions, choose Flashcards, Multiple choice, and Writing.
Die Lektion.
Always finish a unit before proceeding. That means getting 100%. If you're unsure, you can refer to the translation and grammar PDF. Remember, grammar is optional and not necessary to learn how to speak a language. The translation PDF includes a full translation of the story, all the words from the extra vocabulary videos, and an index of all words that are used in the course. In the grammar PDF, you will find all the grammar you need for the course together with explanations in English, as well as a summary of all the verbs and their tenses. But please, try speaking along with the video. The focus is on listening and speaking. The full video has 7 parts and later in the course 8. Now it's time to watch all the parts individually. In the first part, Leo tells his story in present tense. In the video, you'll watch this part 10 times. If you need to, re-watch the video until you understand everything without difficulty. Parts 2, 3 and 4 are conversations with questions and answers in the present tense. Listen to each part at least 10 times. In the second unit in Quizlet, you will practice the questions and answers actively. Set the app to Learn mode. In Options, mark the audio Reply in German. And in Question Types, select only Flashcards.
Bin ich Leo oder bin ich Tim? Leo. Du bist Leo. Wer bin ich?
Here's Marcus again. In every lesson, I will present you a grammar topic. And I explain grammar with the help of colors and pictures. In the first person singular, it becomes Ich komme. Let's take a quick look at an example sentence. Ich komme aus Spanien. So if you need to understand a certain grammar topic, then feel free to watch these videos in advance. And even if you are not yet at that particular lesson. In the description you will find a list with all grammar topics and in which lesson I cover them. And there's as well again the link to my grammar PDF book.
In part 5, the girl tells Leo's story in the third person and in the present tense. In part 6 and 7, they tell the story in the past tense. And from lesson 14, there will be a part 8 where Leo will tell his story in the future tense. Always remember to listen until you understand everything without a problem. It's like listening to a song so many times that in the end you can sing it to yourself. If you do it right, the next steps will be much easier. In the next unit in Quizlet, you retell the story. Set the mode to flashcards, and in the options, activate the audio and select Answer in German. Practice until you can tell the story fluently and without difficulty.
Ich bin Leo. Ich bin nicht 10 Jahre alt.
To complete your vocabulary to a solid beginner level, the vocab video shows you some additional words of different topics.
Null. Null. Eins.
Practice them as well on Quizlet. With the app in Learn mode, set the following options: activate audio, reply in German, and under Type of Questions, choose flashcards, multiple choice, and writing.
Null. In every fifth lesson, you learn the plural forms of the nouns of the last 5 lessons. You can study them with Quizlet. I recommend the Learn mode. And in options, activate the audio, answer with definition, and select flashcards, multiple choice, and writing.
Die Lektionen.
After every 5th lesson, we have a little challenge for you. Repeat different versions of the story fluently and in less than the time limit. Don't worry too much about making mistakes, but get used to the right speed. Practice this challenge with Quizlet. Tell the story aloud in front of a friend, a colleague, or even the mirror. If you like, you can use our cheat sheet while telling the story. If you complete all the challenges successfully, you can move ahead to the next lesson. If you're uncertain or have questions, leave a comment. Someone from our team or another student will help you in an instant. We hope you enjoy our course.